Hi, how you doing? You might be looking for an on-demand web-based help desk software that allows your agents to engage with your customers and deliver satisfaction in the fastest and easiest way. We have a solution for you on that. Now, to give you just a quick overview of our solution, let me first introduce Zoho. Zoho is an international company based in Chennai, India. They are one of the first organizations to focus on web based business tools and information technology. Zoho is now in the business for around 25 years and they have around 50 plus applications and has around 60 million users by the early 2022. We know that great customer service can be your competitive advantage. One of the applications of Zoho is a Zoho Desk to help us stay on top of every aspect of our customer service effort. Now let's go dive in and talk about this awesome ticketing tool. To give you an overview of Zoho Desk capability, Zoho Desk is indeed capable in handling product complaints and or requests from case creation until resolution, and even corrective and preventive action report from initiation to completion. It's also capable in monitoring complaint cases, and we can notify concerned stakeholders already. It's capable for ad hoc reporting and dashboarding. It has MS integration capability. It is capable to perform system administration for managing system changes like users, master data, and business rules. It has configurable notification rules, fields, and can even create survey tickets that can create activities. We can as well configure workflow and blueprinting with, with Zoho Desk. And this is capable to integrate mobile SDK, webhooks, and API. So now, to show you how those works with Zoho Desk, let me show you a sample use case which might be aligned to your business requirements. Let's go start with ticket generation. You can indeed be available for your customers, whatever channel of communication they choose. The following channels that we will be discussing are actually native with Zoho Desk already. The first one, as you can see on the screen, is email. Customers can raise ticket via email, address it to our support email, and the email will be converted as ticket in Zoho Desk. Actually, when you sign up with Zoho Desk, you are provided with default support email address that looks like this: support at mycompany.zohodesk.com. Of course, the my company part of the email address represents the portal name that you initially signed up with. However, should you wish to use your existing support email, that's not a problem at all because we can set up an automated email forwarding rule from your email server to Zoho Desk support email address. This way, the support email address gets to be, entirely used in the back end and is not visible for your customers. In terms of the number of support emails we can use will actually depends on what edition of Zoho Desk we are subscribed with. Under Zoho Desk Enterprise Edition, we can have 101 support emails in total, 11 support emails for Professional Edition, and 6 support emails in total for Standard Edition. Aside from email, we can as well capture tickets from your website into your Zoho Desk. So our customers can raise ticket from our contact us form in our website, and responses from that form is converted as ticket in Zoho Desk. Aside from those two channels, our customer can also create or raise ticket from our self-service portal. because Zoho Desk self-service portal is actually already part of the feature regardless of what Zoho Desk edition you are subscribed with. Well, we will just have to share the URL of our self-service portal to our customers to access our portal. But since we are already in the self-service portal discussion, this feature offers quick help for our do-it-your-own customers. It has ASAP plugin. We can embed customer self-service capabilities into your website and mobile application. We can as well build and grow a community of customers, prospects, and visitors here, and we can create a repository of solutions for commonly asked questions. We know that people are now into social media, right? Zoho Desk has native integration with Facebook, so we can indeed convert posts, comments, and even private messages with or without keywords into tickets in Zoho Desk. But not only Facebook, of course, because we can as well capture customers' tweets and DMs from Twitter or to a ticket, I mean, and customers' Instagram comments to tickets in Zoho Desks too. In addition to that, with this integration, our agents don't have to manually log in to your Facebook page or Twitter account or Instagram account just to connect with them. Because within Zoho Desk itself, our agents can simply connect and engage with our customers already. So once our agent reply or respond from the ticket, our customer will receive the response via Facebook Messenger, like the normal Facebook chat conversation. That's awesome, right? We can as well integrate your phone system with Zoho Desk. With this integration, we can know the callers before we even pick up the phone, as there will be a business card view to help us get a quick glance at all the essential details of our contact. Our agents as well can immediately call our customers with a single click from within Zoho Desk without using the on screen keypad. And we can even associate our calls with tickets to log your time automatically, allowing us to keep track of how efficient our agents are over the phone. So we can save follow-up actions like call notes and tasks right away too. But above all, our unanswered and missed calls can be automatically converted as tickets, allowing us to stay on top of our interactions. Now, talking about ticket assignment, not just to manage processes, because with Zoho Desk, we can as well automate repetitive activity to save time and effort. For example, we can ensure that every ticket is automatically assigned to an appropriate agent, and we can do round robin assignment or auto assignment. We can as well inform customers and agents automatically about progress made on their tickets. So now, when you first log in to Zoho Desk, this is how it looks like. By default, you will be routed to Tickets View or the Ticket View module. So here, where you can see all the tickets, the status of each ticket, and where the tickets from. So the icons that you can see actually indicates what channel the ticket from, like Facebook or from our website form or email or even call. We At the top as well, we can see several modules. But before we discuss the different modules, let me go ahead and show you the different views that we can have under the Tickets View tab or Tickets View module. So aside from Classic View, this is how the Classic View looks like. We can also choose the Table View, where we can see all the most of the necessary or important information of our tickets already. But not only that, but if we click on the add more icon here, We can also use the status mode where we can easily um, filter, or we can easily group our tickets according to their ticket status. So here we can see how many tickets, all the tickets, open tickets we have, all the on hold tickets we have. Aside from that, we can also use the countdown mode. In the countdown mode, we will be able to see how many tickets that are overdue already, or how many on hold tickets we have, or what are the on hold tickets we have. And lastly, we can also choose the priority mode. In this mode, we can immediately check what are the tickets that are in high priority, or in low priority, or in medium. There you have it. Now let's go back to the classic, or I prefer the compact view. Let's choose the compact view. There you have it. So talking about the modules, at the top you will see different modules. We have the KB, or the knowledge base. The knowledge base module, actually, where we can create and publish articles or frequently asked questions and resolutions to guide our customers, especially our do-it-your-own customers. Aside from the knowledge base module, we have the customers modules, where we store our customers' information like contact details and other information needed. We also have analytics module, where we can generate reports and dashboards. We have activities modules where we can track our activities like, calls, tasks, events, meetings. And we have community modules where we can set up community forums, wherein people collaborate on topics of mutual interest. It's typically consists of our customers who ask questions, seek support, or initiate discussions on topics of common interest. The next module is a social module, where we can simplify social media management and ensure better organization of our social media accounts. Here we can view the social media feed of your brand. And as discussed recently, we can either manually or automatically convert posts, messages, and mentions, or private messages, into tickets. And lastly, we have the chat module. It's actually powered by Sales IQ. It's a live chat application of Zoho. We can enable your agents to have real-time conversations with your customers and serve them more quickly, and to build actually a more human connection that is going to be harder, like it's harder to do via email, right? However, this chat channel is available only for enterprise edition. But aside from the modules that you can see on the top, on the left side, we have different tabs as well. The first one is the headquarters tab. So the headquarters is actually designed to provide us with live, actionable insights into our help desk activities. Here we can see the incoming and outgoing bandwidth chart that plots the number of incoming and outgoing responses on a line graph for easy analysis. We have also the incoming and outgoing live traffic that shows the number of ticket responses received and sent in the last hour. We can also see the total number of unassigned tickets. We can have a quick view of agents who are logged in and are available to provide customer support. And we can also view the agents who are currently offline or logged out. Aside from that, we can also see the 25 tickets with the most discussion over the last 30 days. And of course, our overall customer satisfaction score, as well as the latest 25 tickets with the negative rating during the last 30 days. The next tab will be the team feeds. So it's actually a new way to collaborate with your teammates because it will help you to get involved in the discussions and share your ideas with the team. Now, going back to the tickets view here, we can easily filter tickets according to ticket status, as you can see. Like if you want to filter just your closed tickets, just click on the closed tickets. It will show all your closed tickets. Or if you want to filter all your open tickets to show all your open tickets or on hold tickets. And this is where we actually click on a specific ticket so we can start engaging or so we can start with, responding to our support ticket. Let me go ahead and click the first ticket here. This one, complaint, product complaint ticket. So if once we click the specific ticket, this is how it looks like. At the upper top, you will see the ticket number and the ticket subject. And on the left side, where we can see the ticket information, such as the requester's name, the requester's email address, the agent assigned for this ticket, and the ticket SLA, and other ticket information, such as the type of ticket, the order number associated for this ticket, the level of prioritization, and a lot more. Of course, the ticket fields are customizable based on our business requirements. Now, speaking about customization, let's say we want to classify our ticket. So this one, for this example, we want to classify what type of ticket is this. We can indeed add a ticket field like this, the ticket type, where we can further classify the type of ticket we have. If it's an inquiry or complaint or whatever based on our requirement. Also, we can add field such as this, the priority field, where we can classify the level of prioritization, if it's high, medium, or low. So talking about automation, sorry. Furthermore, with the process automation feature of Zoho Desk, we have what we call the blueprint. It's actually to help us execute a support process in a well-defined systematic manner. So we can create or customize workflows that are aligned with the needs of your customers. Because basically implementing blueprint actually handholds agents through the entire process of handling a ticket, what's the next step should be, or what they need to do next after closing ticket. This way, our new agents can get to task without engaging in an onboarding program. And then let me go ahead and show you how it looks like. We just need to go to the settings, and then under automation, you will see blueprint. Let me quickly refresh my screen. There you go. So this is how the blueprint looks like here. Of course, we can create blueprint based on our requirement. So for example, let's say we our agent cannot escalate a ticket to a supervisor without supplementing the required fields or tasks. We can indeed do that in creating or drafting our blueprints. For example, this one, progress, we can add actions or fields or message during the stage, or we can also set conditions or alerts or field updates after the stage, or even task or custom functions. I'm talking about SLA. We can as well connect our SLA here. We can as well connect our SLA with our workflow to allow you to time your support process by specifying how long each stage should take in a blueprint. Plus, you can also set an escalation after a specified amount of time has elapsed for a stage. With that said, with blueprints, reports, and graphs, you know how much time agents are spending on each stage, how long it takes agents to complete one stage and move on to the next, and more. In consonance, we cannot just customize how your help desk looks and feels, but also how it behaves. Now, going back to the ticket, let me just go back to the ticket quickly. So, yep, going back to the ticket, our user can see the available transition here at the bottom part of our ticket. The transition button, like I said, serves as guide to our agents on what's the next step should be or what's the next transition. This is based on our blueprint. So aside from that, we also have ticket tabs here to link our tickets to the other standard modules in our help desk. The first one, we have the conversation tab, where we can see all the communication records between our agents and customers. This is where as well we can reply or connect with our customer support ticket by just clicking this button, reply button. We can either reply just for example, if it's an email and then there are a lot of email address listed from the email, so we can reply to all or just reply directly to the requester itself. Aside from the conversation tab, we have the resolution tab here. So after the agent actually has closed the ticket, they can enter details on how the request was resolved. So this documentation can help other agents who might encounter similar requests in future. And when they submit a resolution, your agents can also choose to post it as an article in the knowledge base by simply clicking save and or add articles. So once it's saved, a resolution can be shared with your customer right away. Actually, instead of drafting an email reply, your agent can fill out the resolution field and enable the notify contact checkbox. But please note that you cannot add more than one resolution for the ticket. The next tab is the time entry tab. So this allows your agents to log the time they spend working on each ticket to support. So support managers can later generate a report to review and analyze the time spent during specific periods. So this will also help us analyze the total billable hours of our agent during specific periods like week or months and total support cost per agent or of a customer account. The next tab will be the attachment tab. So file attachments may include customer support collateral or support codes or invoices or SLAs as well as other support documentation. So the attachment can also be associated with tickets and viewed by your customers in help center. So in addition to that, when a file is attached, it will be actually set as private and cannot be viewed by your end users. But of course, we can indeed set the attachment as public. The next tab will be the activity tab. So activity is where we can create and associate task, call, events. We can create reminders for activities to get a notification at the time you want. And you can also choose to be notified by email, for example, or SMS or browser pop-up. But of course, you can only set a reminder if you have specified a due date or a start date. Furthermore, you can add an activity like that is linked to a ticket or standalone, or just a standalone one. Next is the approval tab. Of course, in the approval tab, we know that our support agent may not have the authority to make a decision by themselves, but will have to get approval from someone in a supervisory role, right? So the approval feature in Zoho Desk allows us to handle this with ease. And lastly, we have the history tab. So the history tab or the audit trail shows the support items. Shows the support teams the full sequence of activities associated with each ticket. So the history allows you to review all actions that have been taken both by your support agents and through system automation, giving you a comprehensive picture of the support process from start to finish. So there you have it. Let's say that we have successfully closed a ticket, and then we want to, hear the voice or listen to the voice of your customers to help us get a glimpse of what your customer think about the support they receive after closing the ticket. Zoho Desk has the built-in analytics to help us track of the ratings received by the agents or left by our contacts and accounts over different, time periods. So customer will receive our happiness rating via email, and then when they click it, they can easily rate the service we provided and share their thoughts too. And once they submit their rating, it will automatically stored in the tickets conversation tab here. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about reports. Of course, we need to go to analytics module. Let me quickly refresh my screen. So under the analytics module, like you said, where we can generate reports, we can generate detailed reports to understand our team's performance. Because Zoho Desk comes actually with a set of built-in reports to help us track important data. So we can immediately um, generate ticket reports, um, article reports, account and contact reports, product reports, activity reports, customer happiness reports, static reports. Let me open one just to show you a sample. Let's say the all overdue tickets. So this is the report looks like. Of course, we can add filters here. We can apply filters based on our requirement. All right. So going back to the reports tab, view. If we wish to build a customized report, we can indeed create new module-specific reports linking some of our other cross-functional modules. We just need to click on the Add Report here, and we can, for example, we can generate a report in the Tickets module, linking other modules such as contacts and accounts, for example. And once we click Continue, we can generate tabular reports. So we can simply display our data without any subtotals, like if we want to create overdue tickets list only, or consolidated view of contacts and others. But we can also generate summary report if we require data groupings and other summary information. And of course, we can generate metric type report so we can display our data summarized in a grid against both horizontal and vertical columns. Let's go back to um, analytics module because not only reports that we can generate here, but we can also generate dashboards. So we can also automatically we can as well create dashboards, or we can use or utilize the Zoho Desk pre-built-in dashboards, so that it can help us, picture real time of our organization's key metrics. For example, SLA dashboards or the ticket status dashboards there. But then again, like you said, we can add your customized dashboard too. Yep. I almost forgot, but let's go ahead and go back to reports because I want to show you something. As you can see, we can actually do report scheduling. So when you click on that, we can automatically send reports to our colleagues here by just simply um, adding their email addresses to our executive management and even to non-Zoho Desk users by, scheduling the desired reports, um, daily desired reports. It might be daily or weekly or monthly or even yearly. So once the report scheduler is configured, the specified reports will be delivered to the recipients as an email attachment. Might be if we preferred as an Excel file or PDF or CSV format. There you have it. Now, talking about security. Zoho Desk actually offers help securely, so we don't have to worry about it. We can put down your organization's hierarchy for better data flow. We can also define what level of access different roles in your organization get. We can indeed control who can access data within each module. Actually, Zoho Desk is GDPR compliant, and we can as well control who can view and modify the data in your help desk. And aside from talking about integration, aside from integrating Zoho Desk with other Zoho applications, we can also integrate Zoho Desk to your current software or other applications so long as it's API ready. We can also integrate Zoho Desk to WhatsApp or Viber and other telephony solutions like Twilio and SMS Magic, so you can be connected with your customers via SMS and or WhatsApp and Viber. So there you have it. That's Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is indeed an omni-channel customer service software to delight and retain our customers. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.